Did you watch the Brain Pop? I hope Annie and Moby taught you a lot about plurals. Here we go. All right, boys and girls, for handwriting today, you're practicing words that are nouns, and words that when you make them plural, that means there's more than one. Sometimes the spelling will change a little bit. So hopefully you watched the Brain Pop video that goes with this page. If you did not, please go back and watch that so you understand why these words are changing the way that they are. Okay, so you have the word tie here, and that's just one tie. And when you make it plural, you just add S. Most words, when you are talking about more than one, or that fancy word plural, most words you just add S. Okay? There are some words, again, this is just add S, it's a suit. And when there's more than one suit, they're suits. Same thing with lake and lakes, you just add S. Now, some words like you saw in the Brain Pop video, again, if you didn't see it, please watch. It's going to show you a lot. Some words, actually, the spelling changes completely. So goose is what you say when you're talking about one. But when there's more than one, plural, you actually change the whole word to geese. Another word similar to this would be mouse. If you're talking about a mouse, it looks like this, right? But if there's more than one, you don't say mouses, you say mice. So the spelling changes completely. Child, if there's one child, we write it like this. If we're talking about a lot of kids, we don't say childs, we say children. So again, the spelling changes. Okay? Now down to here, the word kiss. Notice this time instead of just adding an S, we had to add an ES. Words that end with a CH, an SH, an S, like kiss. See how it ends with an S? With an X or a Z. Any words that end with these letters, when you go to make it plural, you have to actually write an ES. So like kiss ends in an S, but if I'm saying more than one kisses, you add ES. Let's do another example. How about the word box? Right? Now, if I have more than one, it ends in an X, and my rule is if it ends in an X, I add ES when it's plural. Okay? One more plural rule you'll see at the bottom here. When words end with a Y, you actually have to change the Y to an I before you add ES. So words with a Y, like sky, when you make it plural, you change that Y into an I and then add an ES. Here's another example. Fly. Change the Y to an I. Watch. This is plural. Flies. See where I changed it? Okay. All right, friends, but for your handwriting, you don't have to write all these extra words. I'm just trying to teach you a little something about plurals while we're doing handwriting. You just have to copy those words nice and neat.